Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question and a topic of survey statistics. Let's dive into it and read. A survey was conducted among 250 attendees who of a community garden to determine interest in expanding the garden. The survey showed that 80% of the respondents supported the expansion. What is the best conclusion from this survey? Sorry for my reading. Oh my god. Um First let's analyze the text first and then move on to the choices. There were 250 attendees of a community garden selected to determine interest in expanding the garden, and 80% of the people who were selected supported the expansion. So the most of the people actually supported that, right? But before we move on to the choices, I'm gonna say it now because I'm sure there will be something about that. So if a choice says all attendees of a community garden were satisfied, that is highly incorrect because there was a survey and only 250 attendees uh, were highly supporting that expansion, but that doesn't necessarily mean that everyone is going to support that. So let's see the choices now. A says this survey shows that most community members support the garden expansion. As I said, like most community members doesn't stick right with me right now, but it might be the solution, so I'm gonna leave it for now. B says this survey is biased because it only includes people who already attend the community garden. C says this survey proves that the expansion will be successful. As I said, that is too broad. We cannot know that since there were 250 attendees of a community garden selected, so we cannot know that it will be actually successful since it only tells that they were highly supporting that. D says the survey sample size should have been larger. If you have something like this, survey size should have been less or should have been larger. It doesn't really have anything to do with the number of people who attended that. That's the thing. So we have A and B. Let's read A again. The survey shows that most community members support the garden expansion. That makes sense. That makes sense because it has something to do with the community garden. Yeah. And then B says this survey is biased because it only includes people who already attend the community garden. That is eliminated since, I mean, the choice does have to do with people who already attend the community garden, since you know what I mean, like that doesn't sound right to me. So A is the only choice that is correct. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you.